Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so glad you guys are here. Today's video is all about kind of what I do when I do a haul, what I do with a lot of the items from those hauls. I know you guys are interested. You've left comments in the comment section before, so I thought this would be a really nice video for me to show you guys just what I do with some of the stuff that I buy. So in past videos, I have showed you guys when I do Poundland hauls, I do tend to give a lot of the stuff away, mostly to charity. I do like to make up little hampers and stuff that I can give away. So in this video, this is all about how I make my toy hampers. And I'm going to have to move you around, guys, because my tripod is a little broken. So please don't be worried and do stay with me. These are two packs that I've recently made with toys and items that I've done from hauls. This is a little girl set and this is a little boy set. And what I tend to do with these little packs is I give them to a homeless charity to give out to people who need them around Christmas time. I also do older packs, men's packs, just anything that I've bought as part of a haul that I don't want to keep. I do put it together and it does go to good use. So far, I have given away 50 of these packs to local charities to be distributed, and I'm just going to show you guys how I make them. I mean, they're relatively easy, just in case you wanted to do the same idea to give to charity, or you just wanted to do something fun for your kids for Christmas Day or birthdays or whatever. So guys, this is how I make these packs. So you do need a bunch of things, and as you all know, I do haul videos, so I have a bunch of things. I just move these to the side. The first thing I start off with is a piece of cardboard. You can't actually see the cardboard because I've already got it decorated, but just cardboard from boxes that I've had deliveries on. I do tend to keep the cardboard, and then I just wrap it in some nice gift wrap. This is some Christmas wrap, but you guys can put anything, any type of wrapping. If you want birthday wrapping, you want other type of wrapping, you guys can go ahead and do that. And hopefully I have space to set out my board. I'm going to tilt you guys down just a little bit so that you can, and just move you around just so you guys can see what's going on. My little dog is running around the kitchen. Her name is Belle. She is a little Bichon. And if anybody comes near my house, you will hear her bark. So if you guys hear her bark in this video, please ignore her. I cannot control her. So guys, yep, we start off with our board. What you're going to need is some tape. You're going to need a pair of scissors to cut your tape. And you're also going to need a little sheet of cellophane. I have reusable cellophane bags here that I buy in bulk so that I can pack up the little items. So we'll start off with just some things that I've bought, that I've purchased for in my recent hauls, and you guys will have seen, hopefully all those videos are up. So what I start off by doing is just getting a lot of stuff together to see what actually fits on top of my cardboard palette right here. So we have lots of stuff here. So we're just going to go ahead and start placing things out so that we know generally where we're going to put stuff. If I can, I don't think that's going to tilt. Maybe if we do that. So the first thing I have is a little selection box. It is always super good. Let me just adjust. It's super good to have some candy on here. We have one of these little Universe surprise clouds. Inside this surprise cloud, we have a little unicorn, and there's 40 in the collection, but we're going to pop one on. So that looks like it places very well. The next thing that we have is this little bouncy ball activity set. This is a way to make, I think you can make 3 bouncy balls with this, and that is super cute. And we'll pop that there. That will sit really nicely. We have a little hairbrush, which I think is adorable. It has a little mirror on the back, which is cute, and obviously keep it in the packet. Sometimes I need to move things around because where I've placed them, it might not sit too well. So if we say they sit there, and we'll pop this little one, I'm going to have to untilt the board. So you guys are just going to have to bear with. Okay, let's move the little candy to the bottom. We'll pop our little cloud right here. We will pop our bouncy ball here. We will have our little hairbrush right here. I have another little candy. It is one of these marshmallow sugar covered, almost like a kebab stick. And we're gonna pop that right on. Has to have some candy canes. Do love a good candy cane. And I think if we put it like this, that's cute. Guys, I also have, if I can reach them, oh my goodness, they're so far away. I also have some Christmas pencils and toppers and erasers that I got from a selection, an advent calendar. And we're just going to place some of these on our board just to pack it out, because I do like my boards to be quite well packed. So guys, this is what my board will look like. You guys can see. And what I'm going to try and do now is show you how I attach everything. Okay, so you get your sellotape. Hopefully we have enough tape left, and we'll just take, I always keep this little bit and reuse it for the end of my tab. Top tip, it's a great way to, it is a great way to not lose your place. And I just literally tape. Sorry guys, I do have scissors, but I'm going to use my tape just because it's quicker. And I do tape it to the board so that when it goes inside your little pack, it stays when it goes inside the cellophane. And let's pop on, oh my gosh, let's pop on a little bit more. You guys will hear me pulling the sellotape. And we'll just do the same here. You will have to move some things around on your board because you'll think it all fits, and then you'll just have to like maneuver it slightly. So we'll pop that on. Let's move our board around just to give us room to go and do more at the top. So just a little bit of tape, and that will tape it to the board, and that keeps it relatively secure. Okay. Some more tape just to just to hold it in place, and we'll pop it to the back of the board, and then we'll move our bouncy ball and we'll just tape this end to the board, and it just makes it look nice and flush. The next thing we'll do is just pop on our bouncy ball, and again, this is so difficult. I mean, normally when I'm doing these kind of things, I'm super fast. But just when you're trying to show people how to do it, it just is a little bit slower. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pop on our little lollipop. And we just want to make sure that that doesn't hit anything else. And then we'll just attach it to the board. Also just pop on a little bit of tape just on the stick. Let's pull it forward. Just on the stick so that we can keep it in place. Oh. I might actually pop a little bit more tape just on to, no, they're fine. No, they're fine. Okay, so we have that on. We will pop our little pencil, and we need to get our sharpener on. So let's do the eraser. Now with the eraser, unfortunately, the tape doesn't stick too well to the back, to the eraser, so you have to be creative. And what I do is I just attach it to, oh, sorry guys. I overextended my hand. So sorry. So I just, this happens every single time. I just stick it to the board across the top of the eraser, and I've just attached it to the little lollipop. That means it's really secure. It is not going to go anywhere. And we have two more items. we're going to pop on our little hairbrush, which I think is super cute and adorable. Just lift up the board because it makes it easier. We'll pop the tape on the top of the brush and just attach it. We'll also pop tape onto the bottom of the brush to make sure that it stays absolutely in place. And now, the last thing that we have to do is pop on our eraser. Let's see how we're going to do that. This is a little bit tricky because there's not a lot of surface space at the back. So what I tend to do, I cut that one a little short. What I tend to do is get my tape to overextend the sides. And then that way, it does have some surface. You will see a little bit of the tape, but I'm not overly precious about that. And we'll just pop in our little eraser. So guys, let me show you how quick and easy my little toy and candy board is for Christmas. So this is what we've got so far, packed full of fun and adorable stuff. And then all we have to do is get our reusable silo bag. I don't know what you guys call these. Is it a silo bag? Is it something different? But for me, I just call them a silo bag. So we get our little silo bag so that it looks beautiful and it looks like a presentation pack. And we will take off the sticky label. Just pull it right off. And guys, sorry, I'm just going to do this off screen. Or can I do it on screen? Let me maneuver you guys around a little bit just so that you can see. What I'm going to do is just take the back, make sure that there's a nice tight seal, and just stretch it and attach. I'm going to just bring you back around here. Camera is doing all sorts of crazy things today, guys. I am very, very sorry. So that is our cutesy little pack. And what I love to do when it is a Christmas present, I buy these little felt stickers just to make it look that bit richer. Because guys, we all don't want any child to wake up on Christmas Day without a toy. So we definitely do our bit. And I like to go all out. So I like to put on these little felt stickers just randomly in places because they're super cute and adorable. And they're self-adhesive. So you just pull off the little backing. Sometimes it can be a tad tricky. And I don't tend to pull it too hard because I don't want to destroy the sticker. And these stickers are adorably cute. They are £1 for 40 in the Works. If you guys haven't checked out the Works, definitely do. It is so much fun. And that just puts that extra little Christmas touch. So guys, that is my little Christmas. I call these like a selection box because you've got a selection of everything. These are like my little selection packs for Christmas. They will all be donated. Let me push you guys up. I've done it again. Sorry. These little selection packs will all be donated to a worthy cause. And I hope you liked it. Well, guys, if you got any ideas for me, leave them in the comment section below. I love getting ideas from you guys and then putting them into action. If you have anything that you think might make these look a little bit better, let me know. And if you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Please hit that like button for me. And if you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. And don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you liked this video. I really enjoy doing these little things and it makes these hauls really worthwhile at the end of the year when I can donate all of these toys. So thanks so much, guys. Any comments, by the way, leave them in the comment section below. I will come back to you just as soon as I can. Take care, everybody. Please stay safe and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.